Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making back-to-school time capsules. The supplies we need for this craft are a jar with a lid, any type of jar you have, some ribbons, tape, scissors, a black crayon, and I chose blue construction paper. First, we're going to cut the construction paper. I cut mine, and I'm going to just write back to school time capsule on it. So I remember what it is. And you can decorate your capsule any way you want. If you want to use more crafts or more things, that's fine. And then I'm just going to tape it on. Make sure it stays, and I want it to go around the whole can. And then I'm just going to put some ribbon and tie it. I chose blue because right now that's my favorite color. And then I'm gonna put another ribbon just to give it a little more. I'm going to open the can, and I have some things to put in it. I'm including a mask I really like. I'm going to fold it up. And a ring, a plastic ring, and a special rock I painted. And this is my back-to-school time capsule. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.